weddings, predominantly, we get one waste, which I always wonder what to do with it, which is flex banners. We print a lot of flex banners for a lot of weddings, but after the wedding is over, it goes to the godown, and I always wonder what to do with that stock, which is like non-usable. I don't know where to use it. We try to reuse a lot of things, but at the end of the day, the wastage is always there. Out of the blue, my friend Vino Supraja, fashion designer, called me and asked me the same question. Balaji, what do you do with the waste flex banners? I said, like, I'm just thinking what to do with them. I never found an answer. Then she explained me the concept. It's a wonderful concept called Bag a Smile, where we can use the waste flex banner and stitch them into a bag and give it to the children who are in need, which can bring a smile to the face. I thought, like, it's a wonderful concept. Let's go ahead with it. Immediately, I gave all the flex banners which are lying down in my godown for a very long time to Vino. She used them. She designed a wonderful bag. First of all, seeing that bag, it brought a smile on my face. Then we distributed to a lot of kids, and I saw the smile in their face. It's a great initiative. Thank you, Vino, for converting a waste into a very nice, beautiful looking bag. And I'm so proud to be part of this initiative. All the best. Let's do more.